Welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. Hi, I'm April. This video is about a traveling seed box that we're going to start for the Shedwars community. There's a couple different rules, and I just want to go over the rules. The rules are going to be in the traveling seed box, and if you don't know what a traveling seed box is, I've started a seed box with tons of seeds. Sunflowers, kale, peppers, lettuces, pollinating wildflower seeds, peas, all kinds. Anyway, I've started this box, and this box will first go to Lorrie's world. Lorrie, this box is coming to you. And there's a couple different rules with the box. Once you get the box, you take out what you want, you put in what you would like. Contact the next person. They must be in Shedwars. They must be a channel that is participating in Shedwars. And the seeds can be seeds that you have left over, seeds that you've harvested yourself, even including envelopes to put the seeds in if you harvested them yourself. Just make sure to label them what they are. Put it in the box. Contact the next channel. Make sure they want to participate before you send the box to them, because it does cost money to send it to the next channel. And we just want to make sure everybody does want to participate that gets the box. So you take out what you want, put back in what you want to send on to somebody else. You contact the next channel, you send it to them. They must be in Shedwars. They don't have to be on your team. They can be anybody in Shedwars. Once they get the box, they'll do a video. You'll need to do a video too, and announce the next channel that you're sending it to, just like I'm doing right here. It's coming to Lorrie's world. I've already contacted Lorrie. She's happy to oblige. I'm going to send it to her. It's going to make its way around Canada. And the reason we made that choice is because it's costly to send anything from America to Canada. I'm willing to pay that money. It's going to run around Canada to anybody that wants to participate, and then it will come back to the U.S. and make its rounds in the U.S. So once you get the box, you take out what you want, you put in what you want, you've contacted the other channel, you've made your video. You will need to also, at some point in time, the box will need to be upgraded. Right now, it's just in a little tablet box, old tablet I had. The rules are written in the top of the box, but I also have them on a sheet of paper. So once it gets upgraded from this box, make sure you put the rules in there so the next person knows. So once you send it off to somebody else, you can send it to anybody you like except Robert from Homestead Aquarius. He will be the very last person to get this box, because whatever's left over in the box, he will take and do as he sees fit with the seeds in it. It may be he's giving away for Shedwars challenges at the end of the year. I'm not sure what he's going to do with it, but I've offered it up to end with him, and he can do what he wants with the seeds that's in the box at that point. Make sure that, let's see, and that's pretty much it. So 1, get the box, take out what you want, put what you want in, contact the other channel that you want to send it to, make a video, call them out on it, and send that box to them. Make sure that it's not Robert from Homestead Aquarius unless he's the very last person. We want everybody to participate, and then it end with him. I hope everybody has fun with this and it gets passed around. Remember, if you get the box and it doesn't move from there, nobody else gets to have fun and participate in this. The box is just ended with you. But anyway, I hope everybody really likes this, enjoys this, and wants to participate. If you don't want to participate, that's totally fine. But if you do, I hope you get to participate, and you may be able to reach out to another channel, like anybody that in Canada. If you want to participate in this, you might want to contact Lorrie's World. Today is April the 9th. I'm putting it in the mail today. I have no idea how long it's going to take. U.S. mail service is kind of wonky right now. They're behind. They don't I guess they're hurting for people to work too. But go ahead and contact her, and maybe she can get it to you. And then if she's already chosen somebody and she calls them out on that video, maybe you can contact them. I'm not sure. You guys can work it out however you want from here, but it is leaving my hands today and heading to Canada. Lorrie, it's coming your way. I hope everybody has fun with this. God bless you all.